If I tell you, you can drink coffee in parosmia, will you believe? Hello everyone, welcome back to channel Gym Life. My name is Jigyasa and I am back with another video on parosmia. So in this video, I am only going to talk about the food which made me feel okay when I was going through the worst phase of parosmia, when it was just started. So I really want you also to comment down below which food makes you feel better when you were in parosmia's first phase, which ice creams you can try, which shakes you can drink. We all have different experiences and your experiences matter a lot. So we can help each other by sharing our experience. So please comment down below what food makes